I don't know. You were the one who put up the offer. Alright, first case. All I want is the plumber's cap so that I can become Waluigi. And first thing I got this strange blast defense. Oh, the useless item. Alright, second key. I got the speedster spandex. Third key. I got the upgrade. Fourth key. I got the field practice. Come on. Come on, plumber's cap. Can I unbox now? I got a single key left. Antonio, are you there? Alright, can I unbox now? Alright, last case, last case. I'm not in a lobby. Alright, last case. No! Last case, last case. Just a bunch of blues, the cheapest rarity. I got pocket pollen. What is that? Oh, that's a purple. Pocket Pauline. Goes on the scout. Yeah. Yeah.